Hello friends. In this video, I will tell you how to process your tomatoes in order to prevent the disease, late blight. And if your tomatoes are already sick, then I'll tell you how to properly take measures to eradicate this disease from your tomato garden. Briefly, for those who do not know what late blight is, this is a fungus that, under certain weather conditions, settles on tomatoes, causing the darkening of the leaves. They become brown or brown. And also the stem and the fruits themselves are covered with these spots. As you see on your screen, you will either get a crop shortfall, or you will get no crop at all. So if you notice these manifestations on your tomatoes, then urgently take action, which I will tell you about now, and we would use a folk remedy, which I have been using for more than a year. I get a clean and large crop of tomatoes, and most importantly without chemistry. And to prepare the working mixture, we need the following ingredients. First of all, in order to destroy late blight, pharmacy iodine will be required. And we need 1 pint of low-fat milk. Now I will tell you in detail what is used for what. For my volume of tomatoes that I showed you, you need only 5 quarts of water. I also forgot to say we need a syringe with a volume of at least 2 milliliters. Iodine we need for 5 quarts of water is only 0.5 of a milliliter. And if you don't have a syringe, you can just drip 20 drops from a bottle. We take iodine and pour it into milk. It is not boiled, but raw. Mix until a homogeneous mass. And pour this cocktail into the water. And mix again. Let it brew for at least 5 minutes. Now I'll tell you what exactly these ingredients are for. Iodine acts as an antiseptic. If you use this solution for prevention, as I do, except that it will protect the leaves, stem and fruits of your plants from getting fungus on them. It will also feed your tomatoes. Although tomatoes are not severely deficient in iodine, it will only benefit them. Also, if your tomatoes are already affected by late blight and you will use this solution to treat them, that iodine is easy to deal with this fungus and destroy it. Now the second ingredient is milk. In this cocktail, it acts as glue. It creates an oily film on the surface of leaves, stems and fruits. And in this film, as we remember, iodine, who will fight the existing disease. And also the milk film will prevent the entry of new spores of the fungus. The cocktail has been infused and now we pour it into the sprayer. Now I will show you how to properly process tomatoes in order to increase the effectiveness of this remedy. It is advisable to spray tomatoes in the morning or in the evening, so that the sun does not shine on the plants, and the treatment is absorbed into the tomato plant, and does not evaporate under the sun's rays. Do not use cold water, it will harm the plant. You need to apply a cocktail both on the top of the sheet, as well as from the bottom. Spray the tomatoes carefully so that the milk film covers the entire leaf. I hope the information was clear to you, but if you have any questions, then ask in the comments. To whom the information was useful, like, don't forget to share this video with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel, so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you big and healthy harvests. See you in the next video.